All right, so when you walk in the room, that's what you see, which makes me so happy. And here I have my incredibly organized closet with all my tools and all my project supplies for a bunch of different applications. This is my grandfather's desk. So on this desk, already, ignore the boxes and the tripod. So one of the lights that you suggested we order will sit there. There will be a arm with a camera, the camera I'm holding in my hand, that will have an overhead shot, and then another one that'll face me. So when I sit here, you can see me. And then over here, that's where the computer's gonna go. So two 24-inch monitors are going there. Obviously another one of your lights behind it. Camera's already set up there. New computer, because that one is horrific. And then obviously my chair. More storage, craft supplies over there. Now, what I like about this setup, and that I'm pleased with, and I still want a little bit of input on, is the view. So this camera from the computer, what you will see is something like that. Not like that. You won't see that bookcase and you won't see part of the door. But you will catch the geode painting and that chair and table, which I like. So then when I move from camera to camera, what you'll see on this camera from my grandfather's desk is essentially same background, a little bit different view. So I really like that. I think it looks nice. I painted that painting. I also painted that chair, not the wood, the upholstery. So I think it works for a studio. Anyway, I'm pretty pleased with it. But I don't know. It does give me a lot of room to move. It does give me access so that when I'm making stuff, I can move from there to here without any real hindrance. So, like, if I have to do anything on chat or do anything like that, I can just roll over about 3 feet and I'm there, right? Which is nice. It gives me enough room in here so that if we have company or whatever, I can still set up another bed in this room because it's so big. And I want it to be really functional so I can access everything, all my supplies in like a second, which makes me super happy. So that's what it looks like so far. New PC, both monitors coming Monday. I have this box of stuff that still isn't set up, but that'll happen when the PC gets here. So that's what it looks like so far. Hopefully this will look good on stream. My only hesitancy is this is a backdrop. That overhead won't be on, so it's not as shiny. It seems like really bold to me, but maybe it's not. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Okay, bye.